Hey, everybody. A little bit of a tricky problem here, word problem. A lot of times that can be the case, so don't feel bad if that works out. Savas Algebra 2. We're in lesson 3.2 up here on problem 7, which is 25. The thing with this problem is, based on this hint, we have to come up with a quadratic we're going to end up with for our answer. So for the number of members, so they tell us in online shopping club, we have that many members when we charge $6, but then we lose 200 for every dollar we increase. So if we have the 4,400, we're going to lose 200 for every X dollar increase that we charge. So this right here is like the number of members. And then times, because the revenue is how much money we're bringing in. So the number of members times the price. And what they told us in the problem was the $6, but then we're raising it X for each number. X here is the amount that we're going to raise the price. So even though we lose members, if we are bringing in more money, that if we multiply these together now, we're going to have an X squared with a negative coefficient. So there's some spot here where whatever the X number amount increases, we actually will have the most amount of money that we bring in. So that's kind of what we're looking for here. So if you multiply this out, I'll put it in a rectangle just to help organize. My 6 plus X, my 4,400 minus 200X. Let's see, I can do this one, the 4,400 X. I can do this one down here. It's 200 times 6, negative 1,200 X. I can do this one, negative 200X squared, but oh boy. Let's see if we can think of how we could break this one up to be able to do it as a mental math problem. 4,400 times 6. So 6 times 4,400 would be like 6 times 4,000 plus 400. These add up to 4,400, right? Well, 6 times 4,000 is 24,000, right? And 6 times 400 is 2,400. And so if you add those together, is that 26,400, I believe? So let's see how we did getting our solution here then. So I've got my negative 200X squared. Then if I combine the negative 1,200 and 4,400, I think that's 3,200 positive. Normally I circle those for you to show what I'm doing there. These two right here. 4,400, take away the 1,200, 3,200 X's. And then the last, so I got that plus 26,400 right there. Whew. Yeah, so that is kind of a lot to keep track of there. The number of people, start with the number they gave you, the number of members, how many you were going to lose for each dollar increase. X was how many dollars of an increase you had. And then how much money, so the number of members times the amount of money gives me my total revenue. So if I'm bringing in $6 normally, but then they said we're increasing it $1. So if we went up 2, we would have lost 400 members. So that's going to give us our total revenue. Multiply it out. And there's your solution. Get stuck. Help me solve this. View an example. Good luck, everybody.